Why you are not happy on your job. Let's get motivated with George. I make content for entrepreneurs to help you along on your journey. I'm a 20, 30, almost 30-year entrepreneur. I can't remember the last time I got a W-2. Okay, so I've been an entrepreneur. I've been self-employed. And so the thing I want you to understand, and I got some other things for us to talk about too, but I can't do it now. All right. So hang on with me. I know I'm kind of scatterbrained this morning, but I do have notes because I know how I can be all over the place. All right. So the reason you're not happy on your job, because your job was never designed to make you happy. Isn't that interesting? It was never designed to make you happy. Your job had a role to fill, and you were a person that came in to fill that role. Now, I'm not against jobs. I don't want you to think that at all, because I think a job can be very beneficial. Okay. But a job is more like a tool, it's something that you use. Okay. Because they're going to use you. All right. So it helps if you think about them the way they think about you. Okay. And so, number two, the human soul has endless boundaries and it's difficult to be squeezed into a role or into a position. So a role was never designed to hold the soul. The soul is too big, it's too magnificent, it's too creative. So that job position, that role on that job was never designed to hold you. Point number three, we feel restrained and constrained on a job. It feels like we're being either overutilized or underutilized. So you're always going to feel that way. Why? Because it's the nature of the job. The job has tasks that need to be done, and you are there to fill those tasks. So you don't want what you don't want. You want to be in demand. You want to be in a critical area. You want to be that person that's needed because that means you have a job. So we're either being overutilized or underutilized or underused. We're either being seemingly misused, okay, or overused. So, and sometimes even abused, okay, uh, on on some of the jobs. Again, I'm not putting jobs down. I've had jobs in the past, okay, and I'm very thankful. And a job can help you also figure out what you want your future to look like. So it's very helpful in that way. So your job is designed for one thing only, and that's a paycheck. Don't look for more than that from a job. Don't look for friendship. Don't look for if you met a friend on a job and y'all became lifelong friends. Um, that's more of an exception. You ever notice how when people leave a job or when people retire, they lose connection? So when you build friendships on the job and then you no longer work in that job, well, you've lost the main thing that y'all have in common together, which is that job. So expect from a job what a job is supposed to deliver, your paycheck. Okay. So your so point number five, your mission is to pursue your passion. That's your mission. So you want to pursue your passion. And you want to work on your pension as well. So you pursue your passion. So you can pursue your passion part time. That's what's so cool about creating a business. You can do a business part time and you can pursue your passion. And then you can work on your job full time and work on your business part time. Okay? We used to call it the magic of part time. And so my mentor used to say that a job pays for your life, that part time business pays for your lifestyle. So you've got an idea for a business. You've been wanting to start it. You've been reluctant. You've been contemplating. You've been praying. Now's the time. This is the best time in the history of the United States of America to create a business. Get started. You don't have to see the entire staircase before you take the first step. Just take the first step. So let's get started today. You've got a business idea inside you. Let's pursue that business idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in day 11.